Gfiles is a new app that just hit the App Store. It's an interesting concept, and basically it utilizes Google Docs, if you know about that, docs.google.com, and it allows you, if you know, it's a browser doc, so you can write your docs, you can write little mini PowerPoints, you can upload them, download them, share them. It's made by Google, and this app uses that, and it's a neat app. So basically we have offline, which is all the docs you stored offline. I have none currently. Starred is ones that you would like to star or notify or something for them to show up among all the rest. And then you have your documents. Once you've logged on in the settings menu, you'll be able to see all the documents. So it runs a whole bunch of types like PowerPoints, Excels, Word, and pretty much everything you'll be using for docs. So this is a viewer, you don't edit it. However, it's nice because you can store them offline and save them. So I'll go into, this is heart disease. These are just notes for the heart disease. I actually use docs fairly a lot because usually in school we are prompted to use something like this to share our files. If we work some in school, then go home, and it's very simple. So you have three buttons on the bottom. One is send in an email. So you can send from yourself and send this to yourself or to anyone else. Maybe if your partner needs a copy of the doc or something like that, if you're working in a partnership, I don't know. But that's just the email function. And then there's the download, which if you tap that, it will be downloaded to your device. And in the settings, if you sync it up, they will always be the current thing that's downloaded. And then you have the little star button, and what that does is now that you go into Start, you can see the heart disease start. So let's say I need to review those notes before I take a quiz or something, hypothetically. So we have the offline, which is now here. So if we go offline, we can still view all this. And just to show you the auto sync, which makes it always up to date on the offline version. And then I'm going to show you a PowerPoint. I did this Notre Dame, France, about a month ago, I guess, and this is the displayer of a PowerPoint. So you see it takes a little while to load, and you see you have all your slides right here. This was my PowerPoint, and basically you turn it sideways. Sometimes it lags a little bit. Right there, that's good. So you can see all the slides, see Notre Dame by me, and if you zoom in, it's still really nice quality, and it's great. And it's be great for like rehearsing something, sending an email, checking. It's not for writing yet, but hopefully you'll be able to edit them in a new update. And that's all I have to say for this app. App Advice is giving away a bunch of free copies. This is 99 cents in the App Store. Otherwise, Gfiles. If you'd like to get those, if you're on App Advice, just look up and the rules will be there. And if you're on YouTube, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching.